Quick question for y'all. Do y'all have puffiness in the morning when you wake up? I do. Okay. And I started using this product to take that puffiness away. Okay. It is a De-Puffing Eye Serum, and it is part of a larger collection called Hydra Fusion. It's the Avon Anew Hydra Fusion skincare collection, and this is the De-Puffing Eye Serum. I use it every single morning without fail. It is hypoallergenic. It's great for sensitive skin. It's dermatologist tested. It's a vegan product. So it's great. It's got the hyaluronic acid, which means it is a super hydrator. It holds 1,000 times its weight in water. Yeah, and it's got a raspberry oxidant, which defends your skin from the environmental elements that are out there. So it's a great product. So it comes in a tube, just like this. You're going to take that tip off, just screw it off, and you'll see that it's got a slanted tip here, and it's ceramic, okay? You'll slightly squeeze, and it's going to come out here. You're just going to go below your eye on each side. It'll feel like a cool soothingness. I mean, it actually feels really good. I like using it. It helps actually wake up your skin in the morning. So this is a product that you do want to try if you wake up with that puffiness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link for this product and for the entire collection down in the description. So all you got to do is click those links and you can go to the website and buy one for yourself. I'm going to show you a video next that highlights the remaining collection. I think that you could really love this collection. All right.